Hey guys, so right now I'm doing my roots. This is 5 weeks later after the initial bleach, and you can obviously tell that it kind of did go overboard. I was only planning on going up to here where the dark was. You can obviously tell it just is up to here, but it kind of just smudged more on the exterior, which I wasn't hoping for, but let's hope it turns out okay. So you guys can see how much they've grown in. And the other side, roots. So this is how my hair looked like right before the bleach bath. I just mixed some bleach with shampoo and I put it all over. I started from the end and then I worked my way upwards. And this is how it's looking so far. I'm only gonna leave it in for 45 minutes and that's it from the moment I started. Another thing that I didn't expect was it to drip so much. I mean, I know it's more liquidy, but like it just was dripping everywhere and I wasn't used to it because when you bleach it, it doesn't really drip. But this time it really dripped and it was kind of annoying. This is how it's looking so far. Hey guys, this is my hair the next day after giving it a bleach bath. And my hair is super healthy and shiny and it actually feels almost a little bit better than it was before I even started bleaching it because I kind of implemented a hair care routine. I didn't want to spend money on Olaplex because that's really expensive. And online you can find so many amazing shampoo and conditioners, but they're really expensive. I didn't want to waste all my money just on shampoo. So I actually made my own hair care routine. And if you guys want to see that and what it consists of, just comment down below. Let me know. I'm thinking of making one, but I'm waiting to see if I can get it to white blonde and then have it be healthy. Because for me, the final result being healthy is honestly the most important part. So yeah, this is how it looks like after the bleach bath. So basically I just used volume 30 developer with the Blonde Me bleach. I did equal parts developer to shampoo and I just mixed it. And by the way, if you guys haven't done a bleach bath and you are thinking about it, just know that it's extremely drippy and liquidy. So make sure you have like bags everywhere because usually I put newspaper, but because it's just dripping everywhere, just take a trash bag and then like cut it and then just lay it over the bath or floor wherever you're doing it because giving your hair a bleach bath is honestly a huge mess. I'm just so happy and excited that my hair is so healthy, so yeah. And I actually think because my hair is this healthy right now, I can probably in like 2 weeks give it another bleach bath just because, I mean, I feel like I'm gonna just use less shampoo because I did equal parts and it was so drippy. So maybe if I use just like a little bit less shampoo to get it to the consistency that it's still gooey but not to the point where it's like runny, you know? I don't know, we'll see. I'm really excited. By the way, if I look a little bit different, that's just because I have makeup on and in other videos I didn't have any. And I also straightened it yesterday. I know I bleached it and then I straightened it. It's horrible, but I have extremely frizzy hair, like really frizzy hair when I let it air dry naturally, and that's what I did. And I've always had that hair even when my hair was brunette, so I mean, I'm fine. I know my hair does that. And after I bleached it, it was just super frizzy and I didn't like it, so I just put on a heat protectant and use my hair straightener, and I have an ionic straightener for like all the frizz and it really helps get the frizz out. So I just put it on the lowest setting and just, you know, took like a little piece of hair. Was so scared that it was gonna burn off, and I was like, okay, just a little bit, and it was fine. So I did my whole head and I slept in it and it kind of looks amazing even the next day. I don't have to do anything to it. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, I'm hoping I can achieve a white look just because before, like I said in the other video where you saw me complain about how my hair was destroyed, I thought I could never get it there because I couldn't bleach it again. On that hair, it would have just like completely broken off. But now with, you know, the routine, I'm excited. I can do it again and I hopefully can get it to white. I don't know, but I'm just happy. By the way, I didn't tone it. Like if you guys, obviously you can tell I didn't tone it, but I didn't want to use purple shampoo or anything just because it dries it out. And until I get to the stage where it's extremely white, I don't want to just, you know, put pigment on and then I'm gonna have to like take it off with bleach. Like no, I'm fine. I'll just be yellow for a little bit until I can get it to the cheek lift, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put toner on it. I don't know if I told you guys, but I also cut my hair like about this much because it was so destroyed. I had to do it because I just wanted my ends to be healthy. I did it myself because, well, we're in quarantine right now and I couldn't go to the hairdresser, so I just did it myself and it was okay. But maybe next time I'll just give myself a straight cut and then just do the edges because I did it in 3 layers Anyway, beside the point, I cut my hair too, so that's why my hair looks a little shorter. So yeah. So just so you know, right now, if you guys are wondering, I did 4 separate bleaches, like bleaches. After those 4 bleaches, I did my roots, and then after, because they were really growing in, and this is 2 weeks grown in from the last time I did the roots. After the roots, I did a bleach bath. So 4 bleaches, 1 root touch up, and then a bleach bath so far. So yeah. Hey guys, so right now I have on coconut oil overnight, and I'm just gonna go for the second round of bleach bath. Yay! Wish me luck. This is how it looks like. It's very, 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 very oily. We'll see how it turns out. Guys, so I forgot to film when I did a bleach bath on this side of the hair, and right now it's just this side right here. So I did on this side, I shampooed it, and it's still wet, but I like to air dry it, so I just left it like that, and then added a scrunchie made out of silk over it, you know, just to keep it in place because I don't want to bleach that again, obviously. And then I just went on, I mean, I didn't because I had help from my boyfriend, but he just did the other side, and basically I did a bleach bath, but the ratio wasn't 1:1 this time of shampoo to developer. So I actually did 2 scoops of developer to 1 scoop of shampoo this time, because last time it was so runny and I didn't like that, and I know it's not better, but like I just didn't want it dripping everywhere. Even though this is extremely drippy, I didn't want it being like water, so that's why I did that. And now I'm just waiting 45 minutes. So from the moment he put on the bleach bath, I started the timer for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes I'm gonna go wash it out and just let it air dry. So this is the next day after the bleach bath. This is how it looks like. I would say the color is pretty even, and I'm really, really happy about it compared to how it used to be. I feel like it's almost at one color for me. At least it looks like that in real life. I don't know, on camera it might pick up the little reflexes, but it's pretty close. So I'm really happy about that. I was also able to give it a bleach bath because in the 2 weeks between the bleach bath sessions, I did try to get it to a healthier state by only washing it once a week and doing my hair care routine when I am washing it. So I really took care of it and tried to make it more hydrated, so I was able to, you know, bleach it again. Well, I mean, give it a bleach bath, but you know what I mean. And it survived the bleach bath, I'm happy to say, because it's all in one piece and it's nice. It is drier than last time I gave it a bleach bath, but this time I did use less shampoo. So it was a little stronger than last time, but it's not that dry. I mean, it is manageable, and I think if I do continue with my hair routine, it will be fine. I just have to let it breathe for a little bit and take care of it. Also, I wanted to show you guys some things that occur when you're bleaching your hair or giving your hair a bleach bath, just so you won't be surprised, because a lot of people don't show it on the internet and they're like, yeah, this is my hair, it either is perfect or it falls off. So there is a middle ground, and I want you guys to be aware of the breakage that can happen, especially if you put your hair in a ponytail. So for me personally, the breakage that I have is over here compared to my regular length, and I have some over here too, like if I find it. I think that's just because I wear it in a ponytail, because when I did bleach it, I didn't notice any difference. Like I didn't notice any breakage right after the bleach, but I do have it in a ponytail a lot of the times, and it does pull on my hair. And when I work out, or when I'm just washing my makeup off, or when I just feel like putting my hair in a ponytail, which is kind of a lot for me, it does pull, and it kind of pulls on the parts that were broken. So, you know, by the repetitive pulling and pulling and pulling, obviously it broke. But just so you guys know, it is pretty healthy. So it doesn't break off if I if I pull on it. So you guys see that? It does not break. It's totally fine. It's just those areas that were stressed more than others, those broke off. And another aspect, like to be aware that this can happen, is a little breakage here and there, like on the top. For me personally, it's here, a little bit here. You guys can tell if I put it up, but other than that, when it's down, you can't really see it, and I really don't mind because I can just, you know, put some hairspray on my hair and just wait for it to grow back, because, you know, it's not that big of a deal to me personally, so I don't really mind. Overall, I would say I'm really, really happy with the bleach bath, and when you get to this level of blonde where it's like orange or yellow, my personal recommendation is just giving it a bleach bath. I would not have the courage to give myself a regular bleaching session. 1, because it might break off. 2, it might go extremely dry. And 3, it might pick up in some places stronger than others, which has happened to me in the past with other previous bleach sessions. So for me, giving myself a bleach bath, it's the best way to even out your hair, and I'm super happy about it.